Hey, welcome to the kayak. I'm Georgina, and this week's conversation and blog isn't about hair, it isn't about water or the kayak that I'm in. It's actually about I am statements. So, one of the great things I was taught years after doing some additional work on myself and understanding myself was about the conversation that we have with ourselves and how that conversation is best done when you use I am statements. So, an I am statement needs to be the most productive and the most useful is something that says I am, and then it's also something you're working towards. So, I am working to build a business that makes a revenue of $250,000 a year. That's what I'm doing. And then you put on that a timeline. I am looking to build a business of $250,000 a year. And you add in that time of roughly, I believe, by 2026. So that gives me a year and 3 months to make that happen. I am statements are really powerful. They've taken me years to improve and get better at, but they really are great. So one of my I am statements at one point was that I am taking good care of myself and I am connected to nature. And what you're seeing this morning is exactly that. I am taking care of myself. I am nurturing my soul, and I am out on the water watching the sunrise at, yes, it is about 4 something. Actually, at this point, it's about 6 something in the morning, but I got up at 4:30 just to catch that sunrise. So, thanks and welcome to one of my I am statements. Maybe it's time for you to learn a few. I'm Georgina. It's great to hang out with you. Bye now.